Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial we are going to understand what is a Hadoop cluster. Apache cluster or Apache Hadoop is an open source Java-based software framework and parallel data processing engine. So Hadoop is an engine developed specially for this engine, Apache Hadoop, is an open source developed on top of it is. So Apache Hadoop is an open source and Java based. Apache cluster can speed up big data analytics jobs by breaking down large computational tasks into smaller tasks that can be run in a parallel distributed fashion. So instead of running on one super machine in Hadoop, tasks are being breaking down into several tasks, and these tasks are distributed on several machines, as many machines as we want. Could be a 10 and could be 100 machine, and these machines has normal configurations. They are not cheap machines, but they are not expensive. They are just from the medium level machines that can run several tasks. A Hadoop cluster is a collection of computers, as we said, known as nodes. So we call each machine a node. And these nodes are networked together to perform these kinds of parallel computations on big data sets. So imagine you have a huge data frame, terabytes or more. There is no specific number here. And instead of managing and processing this huge data set in one computer, Hadoop has a technique called MapReduce that breaking down this huge data to small packets and distribute them on several nodes, and the computation tasks are run at the same time in a parallel way, so we don't need to wait for a specific task to complete before starting the other one. All tasks can run at the same time on these many nodes, so we can get the results much faster. Hadoop clusters are designed specifically to store and analyze mass amounts of structured and unstructured data in a distributed computing environment. So as you see here in this graph, these files like log files, event streams, scripted text, all of them are unstructured data, can be loaded to can be loaded into HDFS. This is the Hadoop file system. So HDFS is the Hadoop file system, and inside this file system all the magic happens using MapReduce techniques to create structured data or records. So this is just a quick introduction to Hadoop. Hadoop is not our scope in this course. It's just only to understand what is Hadoop, because Spark is one of Hadoop tools that can be used for data analysis inside Hadoop environment or inside any other environment. So the scope of this course is to use Apache Spark in Python environment, so we can get the benefit of two very powerful platforms or tools. Python as a very powerful and easy and very powerful environment for data analysis, and also very easy to use with the powerful features of Spark to analyze data. And that's what we are going to see in the next lessons.